Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Unleash your engine's potential with Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive is a game changer in the world of automotive maintenance. Have you ever wondered how to maximize your vehicle's performance effortlessly? Look no further. Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive is the cutting-edge solution you've been searching for. This post delves into the pivotal benefits of using Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive and how it can revolutionize your driving experience. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and poor fuel efficiency. By leveraging the power of this innovative product, you can embark on a journey towards optimizing your engine's performance. Stay tuned to unravel the seamless integration of Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive into your maintenance routine. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your vehicle and experience a fast-paced improvement in fuel economy and engine responsiveness. It's time to elevate your driving experience with Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. Understanding Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's optimal performance, Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive is a game changer. This advanced formula is designed to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently, providing a range of benefits that every car owner can appreciate. What is Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive? Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive is a powerful solution that is specially formulated to clean and protect your vehicle's fuel system. It works by breaking down and removing harmful deposits that can build up over time in your engine, fuel injectors, and combustion chamber. By using this additive regularly, you can effectively prevent issues such as clogged fuel injectors and poor combustion, helping your engine operate at its best. How does Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive work? This innovative additive works by utilizing a unique blend of detergents and cleaning agents to dissolve and remove carbon deposits, varnish, and other contaminants that can compromise your engine's performance. By adding Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive to your fuel tank during refueling, it circulates through your fuel system, effectively cleaning and lubricating crucial components to ensure optimal functioning. Benefits of using Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. Improved fuel economy. By keeping your fuel system clean and efficient, Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive helps improve fuel combustion, leading to better mileage and cost savings. Reduced emissions. The cleaning properties of this additive result in reduced harmful emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment and compliance with emissions regulations. Engine performance enhancement. With regular use of Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive, you can experience smoother acceleration, enhanced power delivery, and overall improved engine performance. Incorporating Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive into your vehicle maintenance routine can make a noticeable difference in how your engine performs and help prolong its lifespan. Give your vehicle the care it deserves with this simple yet effective additive. How to use Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. Now let's delve into the practical aspect of using Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. Follow this step-by-step guide and best practices to ensure optimal results for your vehicle. Step-by-step guide on adding Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive. Prepare the additive before adding Wynn's Formula Gold. Shake the bottle well to ensure proper mixing of the formula. Locate the fuel tank. Park your vehicle in a well-ventilated area and locate the fuel tank cap. Pour the additive, unscrew the fuel tank cap, and pour the recommended amount of Wynn's Formula Gold into the fuel tank. Refer to the product label for the correct dosage based on your tank capacity. Add fuel. After adding the additive, fill the tank with the desired amount of fuel. Ensure that the fuel and additive mix thoroughly. Secure the cap. Tighten the fuel tank cap securely after adding the additive and fuel. Drive your vehicle. It is recommended to drive your vehicle for a few miles to allow the additive to circulate through the fuel system effectively. Best practices for mixing Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive with fuel. Follow dosage instructions. Always adhere to the recommended dosage provided by Wynn's Formula Gold to achieve the best results without causing any harm to your vehicle's engine. Regular use. For optimal performance, consider adding Wynn's Formula Gold Petrol System Additive at regular intervals as suggested by the manufacturer. Use in full tank. It is recommended to add the additive when the fuel tank is close to empty to ensure thorough mixing with the fuel. Avoid overdosing. Do not exceed the recommended dosage of Wynns Formula Gold, as it may lead to adverse effects on your vehicle's fuel system. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can effectively use Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive to enhance the performance and longevity of your vehicle's fuel system. Tips for maximizing the effectiveness of Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive. When looking to get the most out of Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive, incorporating some key tips and practices can help optimize its performance and benefits. Here are some actionable suggestions to enhance the effectiveness of this product. Regular maintenance recommendations when using Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive. Maintaining a consistent schedule for using Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive is crucial for ensuring your vehicle's optimal performance. It is recommended to add the additive to your fuel system every time you refuel, following the instructions provided on the product label. This regularity helps to keep your engine clean and protect it from harmful deposits, ultimately improving fuel efficiency and prolonging the lifespan of your vehicle. Additionally, proper storage of Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive is essential to maintain its effectiveness. Store the product in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Ensuring the additive is securely sealed when not in use will help preserve its quality and prevent contamination, so it's ready to deliver maximum benefits when needed. Combining Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive with other car maintenance products. For comprehensive care of your vehicle, consider combining Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive with other compatible car maintenance products. When used in conjunction with products such as fuel system cleaners or engine additives, Wynns Formula Gold can enhance the overall performance of your vehicle's fuel system and engine. By integrating Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive into your regular maintenance routine alongside other quality products, you can create a synergistic effect that promotes cleaner emissions, improved fuel economy, and smoother engine operation. This proactive approach to vehicle care can lead to long-term cost savings and a more enjoyable driving experience. Customer reviews and testimonials on Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive. Customer reviews and testimonials play a vital role in helping potential buyers make informed decisions about products like Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive. Let's delve into what customers are saying about this renowned fuel system cleaner trusted by many users. Many users have shared their positive experiences with Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive, emphasizing its effectiveness in improving engine performance and fuel efficiency. Customers have mentioned how easy it is to use and how quickly they noticed a difference in their vehicle's performance after using this additive. Real-life success stories. Reading through the testimonials, you'll find real-life success stories from car owners who have transformed their driving experience with Wynns Formula Gold. From smoother acceleration to reduced engine noise, these testimonials paint a clear picture of the benefits that this product offers. Reliable and consistent results. One common theme in the reviews is the reliability of Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive. Users appreciate the consistent results they achieve with each use, making it a go-to solution for maintaining their vehicle's engine health over the long term. High satisfaction levels. Satisfaction levels among customers are notably high, with many expressing their satisfaction with the performance improvements they've seen after using Wynns Formula Gold. This additive has garnered a loyal following due to its ability to deliver on its promises effectively. Verifiable impact. Customers have noted tangible improvements in their vehicle's fuel economy and overall performance, attributing these positive changes directly to the use of Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive. This first-hand feedback serves as a testament to the product's efficacy in enhancing engine efficiency. Recommendations from enthusiastic users. Enthusiastic users often go the extra mile to recommend Wynns Formula Gold petrol system additive to fellow car owners seeking a reliable solution for fuel system maintenance. Their genuine endorsements highlight the trust that users place in this product to deliver tangible results. The customer reviews and testimonials for Wynn's Formula Gold petrol system additive underscore its reputation as a top-tier solution for optimizing fuel system performance. With a track record of satisfied users praising its effectiveness, this additive continues to stand out as a preferred choice for those looking to elevate their driving experience. The Wynn's Formula Gold petrol system additive is a game-changer when it comes to boosting your vehicle's performance and efficiency. By incorporating this cutting-edge additive into your regular maintenance routine, you are taking a proactive step toward ensuring your engine's longevity and optimal functionality. Unleash the power within. With Wynn's Formula Gold, you are not just adding a simple product to your fuel system, you are unlocking a realm of benefits that will leave you thrilled with the results. This additive works seamlessly to clean and protect your engine components, ensuring a fast-paced and smooth operation every time you hit the road. The quest for efficiency. Embark on a journey towards improved fuel economy and reduced emissions with Wynn's Formula Gold. Say goodbye to frequent trips to the pump and hello to a more resilient engine that can withstand the demands of your daily commute. This additive leverages the latest technology to optimize your engine's performance, making each drive a more enjoyable experience. Your engine's best companion. In a world filled with automotive additives, Wynn's Formula Gold stands out as a trusted partner for your vehicle. Its cutting-edge formula penetrates deep into your engine's core, unraveling years of build-up and restoring it to its former glory. Make the switch today and feel the difference with Wynn's Formula Gold petrol system additive. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.